What's up, Onward Productions, back at you with another mukbang food review. And right here today, you see my Princess Energy right here. Mommy Puni in the cut.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Me and this bitch. Finna get crunk.
Me gusto these matcha.
Matcha on fleek.
Matcha Hello Kitty wafer cookies. Let me see Energy. No, we got them open. You see Energy going. Come on, here. You don't gotta open it like that, girl. Here. Yeah, you gonna try that one? Never mind, please. Never mind, please. Even though you already.
I had the first taste. They pretty good. Just tastes like green tea.
First, they give you like a seaweed flavor.
Yeah, it's very weird.
And then it goes into matcha. I love matcha. Matcha tea. Oh, I'm dead. Are you liking it, pretty girl?
Every little thing I do.
And these are 10.
Hell no.
The start off flavor ain't too,
I don't like them anymore.
but they get into getting crazy. Actually, I call them a 9. Baby Puni dropped hers for a new one. I like the matcha flavor. I'm a matcha man. I like matcha. I love matcha tea.
Every little thing I do.
We'll leave those right there. And then the next one we have, let me show y'all. Where are they? Let me see. Next we have
Look
the
like
exotic Lays.
Woo, you can't lie to the man.
We about to get into it. we have spicy cheese flavor. All right, we finna get into it. All right.
She said, open it now.
Wait. Any, where's that phone? Wait. Hold on, please, girl. I gotta take another picture of it. They spicy cheese, pretty girl. So I don't want to see your face. You can't open it like that. It's hard to open. Here, let me open it. I'm opening it. All right, here.
I'm not playing with you, Dad. How you feeling?
Here. Matching your outfit. I got it open. Here. Energy here. There you go. Don't get it all in.
I've been wanting to show this so bad, but I feel like it's too early and I don't want to release anything.
These taste like
I don't want to post
kind of like
so
the cheesy ruffle joints. They fine.
Well, you know they first taste like when you first put them in your mouth? A policy.
Hey, what you saying?
I've been wanting to post this so bad.
Hold on to that.
Huh?
Hold on to that.
I am.
These, I get these two. 9 out of 10. These ain't bad. 9 out of 10. Solid lays. Yo, what's up, cuz?
I don't know this where you at. I'm about to just walk in right now.
Yeah.
I'm still down there and shit.
You still at the park?
I saw folks and shit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come on, man. Hold on. I'm finna
Write
chop it.
your number
I'm
down
finna
real
chop it
quick,
with you
bro.
real quick. Drop a
This your little one right
like,
here?
comment, subscribe, and share. Say hi. You see, she's smart, man. She said hi.
Hi, little mama.
Drop a comment, like, subscribe, and share this video. I'll be back at y'all with the next one. We out.